open your web browser and just go to Google. And here on the search for Office Deployment 2. When you search, you're going to see the first link. Click on the first link here. It's going to take you to the Office Deployment 2 that you have to click on this download button here. When you click on this, it's going to be downloaded like that. Then come back on Google and search for Office Customization 2. All right, it's just down here, Office Customization 2. When you search for this, you're going to see the first link. Click on it. When you come here, it's going to load as usual. When everything loads, here select the operating system running on your machine. Mostly, I'm sure it's going to be 64-bit, so leave this as is. And scroll down here, you're going to see the Office suite. When you click on this, you're going to see the Office versions that exist currently that you can download for free. And here, what you want to download Office 2024. In this video, we're going to go with the Professional Plus. Scroll down. Here you can choose what you want to have in the professional version. You have access, Skype, you can turn it on if you want Skype or off. Or also here you can also turn off some of these that you don't want. Just click on them to turn them on or off. It's up to you to choose what you want to download. Then you can come down here for the language. You click on this and select English. When you click on this option, you're going to see the English option here, United States. That's what I'm going to select. Then scroll down. On installation, leave everything the way they are. Update everything the way it is. Just leave these. And the license activation. For these ones also leave the details the way they are. On the general, also leave these the way they are. On the application references, also leave these the way they are. So in short, what you're going to do here is you're going to scroll down and click on finish. When you click on this, you can come down here. You can see all the settings that you've set here, this side. Then you can just click on export. This is going to open a dialog box that looks like this. All you have to do here is click on Office Open XML. When you click on this, you can go on and click on OK. And here what's going to happen is you have to accept the terms in the license agreement. Then you can change the name of this file here, but this is normal. Just leave this the way it is, configuration like that. Then you can click on export. And this is going to download this file. You can get a notification that says delete or keep, because this is, just click on keep. It's going to be downloaded like that. Then you're going to minimize this window for later use. But now let's open the file explorer. Come here in the downloads, because remember we downloaded two files, the Office deployment 2 and the configuration file. You can highlight these two and you copy them. Control C on the keyboard. Then you can come to this PC, open local disk C. Then in here you should create a folder and call it Office 2024. So just type this Office 2024. Then open it and paste the two files that we just copied in here. Then here you're going to right click on this, run it as an administrator. When you do that, it's going to ask you to give it permission. Click on yes. It's going to open a dialog box like this. Just click on accept Microsoft Office license terms, then click on continue. Then it's going to open a dialog box where you have to select where you want to install the details in. Here, we're going to select this PC. I'm sure it's somewhere down here. Okay, this PC. Then local disk C. And here we have Office 2024. Open this one. Just select it actually. Just click on it here. Then you can click on OK. This is what you want. You can click on OK. Now, the file that you want is the setup file. You don't want this anymore, and also we don't want this anymore. So these two files can be now deleted. Okay, we can just delete these. We don't need them anymore. When you remain with these two files, you are now going to have to open the command prompt. So the way you do that, you can just simply come down here and search for cmd. Okay, then here you're going to run it as an administrator. Don't just open it, run it as an administrator. Click on yes. Then when it opens like this, we're going to come back to this folder where in this folder where we have these files. What you want is to get this path, okay? The path for these files. So you can click on top here and you're going to see the path like that. So you can just copy it, Control C, or what you can do is you can right click here, then you're going to see copy address as text. When you copy this, you can come back here. Then here, I'm going to type CD, then paste to the address, Control V, then press enter. Then here now, you're going to come back to the web browser and search for deploy Office 2024. It's going to bring you here. Click on the first link. It's going to take you to the page where you can get the command for deploy your Office 2024. Scroll down until you see a command, not the first one for download, but for config, this one. Copy it, then come back to your terminal, command prompt, and just paste it here, Control V, and press enter. This is going to open the Microsoft Office downloading window. And so it's going to say we are getting things ready. Just wait for it to do its thing. If you already have Microsoft, you need to uninstall it. Otherwise, you're going to have two versions of Microsoft Office on your computer. So we can minimize these windows like that so we can see what's happening here. Down here on the taskbar, you can see what's happening. It's started to download. You're going to see this download window, which says here it's going to tell you to stay online while Microsoft is downloading. And this needs at least you have a powerful internet connection. So you are going to wait for it to do its thing. It's going to download everything you need for free. And this is how you can go about downloading Microsoft Office, just like that. And so when it downloads, you're going to see all set. Then you can click on close the window. Then you can try to open Microsoft by just simply coming here and searching for Microsoft, for instance, Word. Then you're going to see it here. Then you can click on it, it opens, then you can start working with it for free. And you don't need to worry about it being activated or finding an activation key because it's automatically going to be activated. If you have any questions concerning Microsoft Office 2024, please drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.